Hi everybody, I'm gonna do a dip. I'm having a break from my blooms, so this was from a failed bloom. I just took my paint and spread it all around on the bottom, so that's gonna be my base. I can't seem to, I wasted already a couple, so I didn't want to waste any more. So I'm not gonna use the paints for my bloom though. I'll see, because they need to be a little bit thicker, I think. Okay, so what colors am I going to use? I said I was going to try reds. So red and magenta and maybe some rose gold. And I need a lighter pink color. So I don't have any made up right now. So I think, I have a rose, a lighter color here. Yep, I do. So I think I'll start with the red on the outside. This is a rose gold. I don't know how this will look, but I'll try it. It's a metallic. The red was a red house paint that I have mixed up, and these are all mixed with floetrol. Okay, so now I have quinacridone magenta. These colors might look a little weird together, I don't know. I'll put some of this light pink in. Rose Pink by Basics. I think I'll put some down here too. Okay. Now some more red. Some of this. And some more magenta. Oops. And some rose pink. This seems to be sinking in this base paint. Oh, my base paint works okay for this. Now I'm going to use some white, Rust-Oleum white. Oh, I need more pink. And I'm just going to swirl this around. All right. Now, how about a little bit of yellow in the middle? It'll probably disappear. This paper towel is just cheap, thin paper towel, and I need to get some more. I'm going to spray it with some water. I'm just going to lay it on top of here. Let it sit for a minute. I really don't have to touch it because it just sits right on there. I'll just tap it a little bit. All right. My surface area sure doesn't stay clean long, I tell you. Okay. I'm going to lift this up now. Holy, what reaction. That's very pretty. And I even like the different colors around the edges. Kind of a grayish. That's a pretty. I'll hold it up close for you. like it. Okay, thanks for coming by. Have a great day, everybody. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Hit the bell twice. There's 2 bells. One, and then you hit all, and you'll get my notifications for when I do other videos. All right? All right. Have a great day. Bye-bye.